Last episode, your aggregate recorded what happened with domain events. Now the question is, which of those facts should leave the service, and in what shape? Publish the wrong thing, and every other service ends up coupled to your internal model. The answer is two kinds of event and a clear boundary between them. The tempting shortcut is to publish the domain event straight onto the message bus. But a domain event is internal. It carries your domain types, a task ID, a member ID, value objects. Publish it as is, and every other service now depends on your internal model. Rename a field, wrap an ID in a value object, and you've broken consumers you can't even see. Your domain can never safely change again. So you keep two events. Task assigned is the internal fact. It implements IDomainEvent, and it can carry your domain types because it never leaves the service. The integration event is the external contract. It implements IIntegrationEvent, and it carries only primitives, a GUID, a timestamp. Versioned on purpose. That's the published shape, the only thing other services are allowed to know about. Here's the key move. The translator is just a domain event handler, the same interface from last episode. It takes the internal task assigned and builds the external contract from primitives, the raw GIDs, the timestamp. Then it hands that to the integration event collector, which is backed by the Outbox. And the Outbox publishes it durably, only after the transaction commits. No dual write, no half-published events. So draw the line. 1. Domain events stay inside the service. They implement IDomainEvent and can carry your domain types because nobody outside ever sees them. 2. Integration events are the public contract. IIntegrationEvent, primitives only, and versioned, so you can evolve them deliberately. 3. You translate at the seam. A domain event handler builds the integration event, and the Outbox publishes it after commit, durably. Your domain stays free to change. Keep your domain events internal and your contracts external, and you can refactor your model without breaking a single consumer, a boundary that holds whether a human or an AI evolves the service. Next, modeling state itself, with state machines that return a result and make illegal transitions impossible. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.